Once again, guys and girls, from me, thumbs up as usual. God bless you. I thank God for the grace. Today what I'm going to be doing is a short and sweet video on my Viper battle belt. Fantastic piece of kit this. It's padded, it's got molly all over it, molly webbing, it's got fantastic buckles on there as well. And the great thing about this, I wanted to show you, if people out there were thinking, well, your bug out bags haven't really got really padded waist belts. I mean, the one to your left here, it's got quite padded, not bad, quite wide belt. Again, it's not bad padded here. On the Viper Recon, excuse me, just going to come to your right hand side now. On the Viper Recon, it doesn't have any padding. These are good for day packs, maybe a couple of days, but if you've got quite a bit of a load in it, it's not really that comfortable with the waist strap. So what I've got myself a battle belt. And the great thing about a battle belt, let me just come round to this side again, to your left. What you can do, very quickly, I'll just put in one side for you, just to see, just to show you how easy it is to put through. So basically you put through the buckle through there. Okay, guys and girls, try not to be long. Just to show you, give you an idea, versatility of these packs. And there you have it, you push through the buckle. Okay, you push back the buckle that's on the actual battle belt back inside itself. You push that back inside itself, and you use the original waist strap, push through the battle belt. You do the same thing with the other side. Let me come round to your right hand side quickly, guys. I don't want to make this video too long. You take the buckle from that side, you pass it through the battle belt again. Okay, guys, just bear with me a little bit. But straight away, you can see the difference there. Now, just poke it through. There you have it. Okay, guys, just grab it. And there you go. Okay, same thing on this side. Just push back the buckle in on itself. You won't need that. Just push the buckle back in and the access strap. And let me just come to your left hand side, guys, and there you have it. You can see a much better waist padded belt there, ready to go, the battle belt. And like I said, you could do the same thing on this side. You can put the battle belt on here, and that will give you a padded waist battle belt on your kit. That's the great thing about these Viper kits, very modular. And as you can see here now, you've got a great padded waist belt there, so you can carry extra loads with your backpacks. Okay, guys and girls, now the versatility of these belts is great. Let me just pop him back out again really quickly. Okay, once you've done it a couple of times, you get used to it, and it's just really quick. There you go. So like I said, it gives you a nice waist belt here. Excuse me, turn it up the right way. Nice waist belt here, and a nice waist belt right here. Now, this is my battle belt by Viper Tactical. Great piece of kit, 600D denier. Okay, very modular. You can put things like water bottles on there. You can put, if you've got some Israeli bandage, like I have in here, get a little pouch. Put it on your battle belt. You want to put your sunglasses here, you can put it on your battle belt. Okay, guys, just bear with me. Let me come over to this side a little bit. You can put another little Viper pouch here. This is my little Viper pouch with my tourniquet, my scissors, and you can basically put that on here. Just giving you an idea. Or you can put your first aid pouch on here. But what I'll do, guys, is I'll make another video, and I know this video is not too bright, the light is not great, okay guys, well that'll give you, let me just shine the light on it, hey, beauty of technology, eh? Alright guys, the light's not so great in here today, but it's just going to give you a little rough idea, and I know the video is going on now towards 5 minutes, but yeah, the battle belt setup, I will do another video just to show you what it looks like with the stuff I put on this battle belt, but that's just giving you a little idea. But the good thing is very modular. You can stick it onto your backpack, this one, or you can just have it on its own as a fighting belt. You can have it with your Viper tactical vest, plate carrier. And there we have it, guys. Just a short and little sweet video. Had to use the torch. Alright, guys. And because in the black doesn't really show up really great. So yeah, something like that, guys. Just wanted to show you the battle belt that fits onto the Viper bags, or on its own, or with a bullet carrier, plate carrier, excuse me. Anyway, guys, have a fantastic day. 2018 is upon us. Be vigilant out there. Be very careful out there. You know, we've got a lot of stuff that's going to happen this year. You know, and love one another and look after one another. Thanks for watching the video. God bless you all. It's a short and sweet video on my Viper tactical battle belt. Okay, guys and girls, thanks for watching the video. Have a fantastic day and see you all hopefully in the next video. Thumbs up from me. God bless. Take care.